Team Lethal fans, Mustang King in the house with the Average Joe. And this is another edition of the Lethal Lowdown, where we talk about stuff that's going on here at Lethal Performance as well as industry news. So we're going to start off with some Bronco updates. Joe, you want to tell us a little bit about our Bronco?
Happy to do so, Jared.
All right.
We just got all of our RPG and our Eibach coilovers on the Bronco. We took it down to Rare Fab here a couple weeks ago. Finally got the video out though. Check out the video in the link below. Everything on there went super easy, super clean. Overall, we're super happy with how the suspension turned out. You guys definitely need to check out the install video though if you're looking to do so on your Bronco. Overall, we're been super happy with how everything is riding, how it looks on the truck, of course. I think it definitely pops, accentuates all the little stuff going on down there in the Bronco that not a lot of people see, but it definitely pops, makes it stand out from the rest of the Bronco crowd.
I took the Bronco out this weekend over to Corbett, got a little dirty and stuff. It was my first time taking it out with the new suspension and it felt great. I mean, the Bronco definitely makes a lot of interior noise. It must be that hardtop roof or stuff like that. But otherwise, suspension felt great. No issues in the sand or mud or anything like that. So RPG suspension on the Bronco is done. Check it out on our YouTube channel. The video is live.
So Jared, I've been hearing a bunch of stuff going on in the office about the Cobro. Is anything going on with that recently? Cobro.
I'm really excited. My Cobro is finally ready. If you guys have not seen, we got a whole bunch of videos up on our YouTube channel, Project Cobra, where I take my first Mustang I've ever owned, which is a 2003 Mustang Cobra, and we did a full Coyote swap on it with a 10R80 as well as a big 3.8 liter Whipple. We've got headers on there. We got full suspension from UPR and Viking. We've got some custom exhaust on there. I mean, it is awesome, tuned by Lund Racing, and it's making some power. This car has not run in like 8 to 10 years, pretty much sat in the corner of the warehouse collecting dust. Dicks drawn all over it. It was pretty terrible that I did that to that car, but she's finally back. You guys should check out the newest video coming up on YouTube, which will show what type of power I made with that Whipple and that setup with Lund Racing tuning it down at Lujan Motorsports. Check it out!
So now that it's actually pretty much finished up now, what do you actually plan on doing with the car?
Well, I'm gonna go down with the trailer. I'm gonna pick it up on the trailer and put it on there. I'm gonna back it up by my driveway. Take it off the trailer and hard park it in my garage and it'll never drive again.
Oh, wrong. Okay. Back to square one.
Exactly. No, we're not going to do a repeat of it. I'm actually really looking forward to driving the car. I've not driven it yet, and so I'm really excited to actually go down there and pick it up. I'm going to bring it back up this way. I'm definitely going to drop it off. I have some paint correction done, get it ceramic coated, and I think it's time to put an actual nice sound system in there. Still rocking the original radio in there. It's got like a 6 CD changer in there, probably some Milli Vanilli CDs in there and stuff, so it's time to get some proper sound in there and hopefully get it to the track. Unfortunately, our track locally here, Palm Beach International Raceway, closed down, so the closest place I've got to go is up at Bradenton or Orlando, so I'll have to make a trip one day and go up there and get some runs in to see how it does. The car should be quick. I know what type of power our 2018 GT project that was gold member, and I went 864 to 157 first time going 8s in it. I know what type of power that car made, and that car is a lot heavier than Project Cobra. So I definitely know it's going to go in 8, or I hope it's going to go in 8, maybe with a couple runs, some practice, and some data logging with Lund Racing. But those are the plans, and then just enjoy the car. All right, what else?
Raptor.
Ooh, Raptor. This is exciting. I've been seeing actually a bunch of people start to take delivery of their Bronco Raptors, and we've had one on order from the day the order banks open up, and I know the truck has been built and it's sitting there just ready for shipment. Actually, Stacy and Travis from SVT Performance picked up their Bronco Raptor already. I'm super jealous because they ordered it from a dealership up there in Michigan, so they're like, oh, they just like pretty much walked it over from the plant to the dealership and they picked it up. So cheers to you guys. You can check that out on SVT Performance, but you can be sure there's gonna be plenty of content from us on the Bronco Raptor. Really excited for this vehicle. I mean, it's sporting that 3-liter ST motor, the twin turbo EcoBoost motor. There's gonna be a bunch of stuff we got going on. We've got some Vossen wheels here are ready for it, and a couple other goodies, including a Whipple mega cooler intercooler, and that's not it. There's gonna be a ton of stuff, so definitely be on the lookout for our Bronco Raptor content coming to you guys soon.
We actually dropped a video leaking the mega cooler for the Raptor, so if you guys are interested on learning a little bit more about it before you get it for your truck and before we actually get it on our truck. We've got a video already out for that you can click in the link below, or you know what, I'll put it above Jared's head here if you want to go ahead and check it out as well.
More power, more efficient.
No calibration required.
No calibration required, 50 state legal. Boom, direct bolt-on replacement for your factory intercooler, just like their intercooler for the standard 2.7 liter Bronco. Moving on here with the Lethal Lowdown, another new service here that we offer at Lethal Performance is Route. So Joe is going to tell you a little bit about Route.
So Jared, Route is everything covered on shipping. That means basically anything that gets damaged, lost, stolen during the shipping process, Route will go ahead and cover that for you, whether you want it refunded to you or you want that actual product. So we'll go ahead and send out another one to you. Route will go ahead and cover it. They also have an awesome tracking program, and it basically just keeps track of everything during the whole shipping process, make sure that your tracking numbers get directly out to you, and overall, it's just gonna make the shipping process a whole ton easier.
Got it. So guys, it's pretty common. Packages get lost, damaged, all that other stuff, and tracking sometimes is you know, difficult to obtain. So through Route, you got all this. So I'm gonna give you an example now. Let's say you live up in Portland, Oregon, right? And you got a whole bunch of meth heads like over there next to your house, smoking meth, getting high, and FedEx comes with your awesome new exhaust, your wheels from Lethal Performance, right? And then they deliver your package. So then you get those zombie meth heads that coming over and they take your wheels and your exhaust and they're gone, all right? Well, you're covered by Route. That's what's up. And also another great feature that we offer here at Lethal Performance, if you've not seen, is Extend. No guys, I'm not talking about the stuff you get at the corner store or the gas station, that Extend. It's something else. So Joe, what is Extend?
Extend is basically like buying an extended warranty for your parts. You are getting the added benefit that, let's just say theoretically, if your parts fail down the road, out of the manufacturer's warranty, you have now that extended warranty, which will allow you to get those replacement parts absolutely free through the Extend program. So if you guys are a little bit hard on your parts or you're a little fearful that manufacturing quality has gone down in recent years, Extend is definitely going to be a program that you're going to want to hop on.
Definitely, and you'll see this on most of the products on lethalperformance.com. When you're browsing the product page, you'll see it right there. You can choose the 1, 2, or 3 year extended warranty on it. Now, if you don't choose that warranty, I'm gonna be calling you every week from a spam number. You're not even gonna recognize what number it is, asking you if you'd like your extended warranty for your Lethal Performance parts. So it's a lot easier just to click the extend button, get the extended warranty, and there you have it. Next up on the Lowdown, we got the Lethal Performance LP-S5 drag wheels. Those are drag pack wheels for your 11 and up Mustang GT or GT500, depending on your application. We've got them available in an 18x5 front for those skinnies, and we've also got them 17x10 in the rears. Now, they're offered in single beadlock and non-beadlock, so you guys have the option of what you want to choose. So for you guys looking for that more aggressive look, or you're actually drag racing your vehicle, the LP-S5s are awesome. Come check them out on lethalperformance.com. We got a bunch of pictures up there, as well as a gallery, so you can guys see how they look on different vehicles. Next on the list is the Cobra Jet Manifold from Ford Performance. We have not seen a Cobra Jet Manifold in quite some time. They actually discontinued the old design and redesigned it, so thanks to our friend Evan Smith over at Revin Media, who shared some pictures of the actual manifold as well as a cutaway of it. It's coming around the corner. It'll be here very shortly, and it looks really nice. Almost like a Plasma Man intake, but made in plastic, as well as the very large plenum. This is going to be good for you guys, NA guys that want to rev it to the moon, as well as guys running centrifugal blowers. It will help you make more power and give you higher RPM limits on your car. So you're flying by, man, right?
It's insane. I mean, I feel like last week it was just like January, you know? It's insane.
And here we are 9 weeks away from Black Friday. As you guys know, here at Lethal Performance, we take Black Friday very seriously. We want to give you guys the best deals, have the best sales on all of the parts and accessories that you're looking for here at Lethal Performance. So, with that said, please make sure to comment below and let us know what you're looking for on sale this Black Friday. Not only with Black Friday do we give you guys tons of sales, awesome deals on your favorite parts, we also like to do stupid videos and stuff, so definitely be on the lookout for a cool themed, funny, stupid video from us for Black Friday. And it's been a great pleasure with you guys for another episode of The Lethal Lowdown with the Mustang King and Average Joe. Thank you guys so much.
If you guys want,
No, go ahead, man. I'm fine.
You're good.
It's good. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. You're doing a great job, Joe.
It's good.
Don't stand so close to me. Is that it. They're intercooler for the standard 2.7 liter Bronco. Hey, Cougs.
Your family's here.
Oh, are they?
Uh-oh.
Come on, family.
All right, you want to talk about Extend now?
A cool little packet of pills to give you boner, all right?
Yeah.
No?
Extend XXX.
Extend XXX, got it.
All right.